What a beautiful day. Perfect for a neighborhood drive.
So, Danny, now do you know what a mammal is?
Yeah, man.
Brilliant! Always a pleasure to edumacate. So, what is it?
Am I supposed to answer that?
Yes, Daniel.
Oh, why didn't you say so, Staniel? You see, a mammal lays eggs in the clouds.
What? Where did you learn that, school? Everyone knows that mammals have brains.
Oh, yeah. Does that make me a bird?
Good question. We should see if you have a brain.
Oh, boy!
Hey, you guys. What are you doing?
Stanny's teaching me all about mammals.
Right. Anyway, why are you people inside on a wonderful day like this?
It's raining outside. Don't you know that rain makes your hair grow twice as fast?
What happened to your umbrella?
Well, I left it outside in the sun to dry off a few months ago. It must have flew south for the winter or something.
That'll happen. Anyway, I thought we could go for a drive around the neighborhood and splash the puddles.
Hooray! I love going splish splash, just like a duck. Ribbit, ribbit.
Yeah, exactly like that. Let's go, I'll drive.
Why has no one cleaned this place up?
It's on my list. I'll get to it when I get to it.
Look what I found. Remember when we made a giant ice cream cone for the ice cream truck? That was a fun day.
Ah, I remember it like it was tomorrow. What were we talking about?
Going for a drive. What's so hard about that?
Can I bring my new toy?
What do I care? Just don't color the van.
Oh, but I like colors.
Okay, keep your eye out for puddles. The bigger the better.
Where are we gonna find puddles in all this rain?
We have to think like a puddle. If I were a puddle and it was raining, where would I hide?
At the top of a hill!
There's one now!
Hooray! That was fun!
Let's find another one.
I can't see anything with all this rain. Why did it have to rain on the day we decide to drive in puddles?
What are you talking about? Rain is very manly.
What do you mean?
Well, think about it. Rain is how the sky gives you a shower after a manly workout.
Whoa, man! You totally just blew my mind!
So, Stanny, you know all about different things. Where are we?
Well, Manny, my trusty map here says that Penal Pumperville is exactly 23 miles long.
No, I mean, where's our house?
Right here.
Great, now how do we get there?
Have you tried driving backwards? It's a little known fact, but the map says that our house is south. Forward is north, so backwards must be south. It's basic geography.
Look at me, I'm walking backwards. I'll be home in no time.
Okay, how do we go backwards?
John Burger Brick Show.
thing's working.
Did you try this lever? Levers always work.
Yeah, look at me. I am awesome. This doesn't look like our house. Nice going, Stanny. This is just terrible. Now we'll never get home.
Don't worry, Manny, it's easy. The van is stuck in the ditch. We just have to get it unstuck.
How are we gonna do that?
I know. We can lift it like lumberjacks.
Good idea, Danny. Lifting vans is a manly art form. I'll do it all by myself. Get out of my way. Well, it didn't work. Any other ideas?
I got it. See? We're rocking it loose. Eventually one end has to come out.
Can I eat that?
Once it hits the bottom really hard, it will bounce right back up like a bouncy ball.
Boing, boing. I'm a ball.
If we give it the silent treatment, it'll feel bad and climb out on its own.
What's the silent treatment?
It's quite simple, Daniel. We just ignore the van until it leaves the ditch.
Oh, how do we do that?
Well, guys, I'm tired. Let's go home.
What about the van? We can't just leave it here.
No kidding. One of you will have to stay here and watch it. That way nobody steals it.
Well done.
How do we settle this?
I know. Whoever gets the van out of the ditch first has to stay behind and watch it. That way nobody steals it. Just like Manny said.
Sounds like a challenge. If I win, you have to stay here.
Hooray! But if I win, I get to stay here.
Agreed.
And don't forget the wasabi! Whoa! How come I wasn't invited to this video? That's so rude! Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share.